Alright, well, the plan for this morning is to drive back down to the beach to where the shipwreck is, and for the boys to go snorkeling again. But it's quite cloudy, so I guess we have to determine if it's good for snorkeling today or not. We're off!
Welcome to El Coyote.
Yeah, that was a fun beach walk. I definitely found way too many shells. Brett found a couple of wrecks. There were no flies, which is amazing. We left our spot this morning because basically the second we got out there were flies, and Ronan was out there before us, and so he was getting massacred. So we made the decision to leave and go explore some other beaches. So also, it's quite overcast, so no snorkeling at the shipwreck, but hopefully wherever we end up, on to the next beach. Brett's doing a little tree maintenance. While Brett's been trimming the trees over here for trail maintenance, Ronan scouted ahead to see if the trail gets better.
It didn't get any better. To here looks the same going back down the other side on this trail. The trail to the left is way better from what I can see.
Alright, back the way we came, Brett says that we're airing down. Let's try the beach down below.
So last night we're Ronan. Let's do some country.
Alright, we made chicken tacos.
You hope it's not too windy. Come on, Mace, let's go back.
Well, I left my raft blown up because I thought it was going to be nice this morning to go out. But it is way too windy, so I gotta go put it away. Okay, I got the raft put away. I can't believe this is it! Bye, Ronan! Done with our last grocery run. The Chedraui should get us basically through the week. Plus, obviously, we'll stop for taco places. We shall call this home.
We shall call this home. We shall make life.
Oh, it looks like soft sand. Yes.
Short.
We're not doing the whole thing. I somehow convinced Brett to go on a coffee sunrise morning walk hike with me.
Didn't take much convincing.
Right, we're all packed up and ready to move on. Going to Loretto. We're restocking your water run. It's been a great campsite. I wasn't sure yesterday when we pulled in. There are a lot of campers and a lot of locals and stuff kind of having a great time. So it just seemed a little crowded maybe for what we've been to, but it was really nice. We woke up this morning and basically had the whole beach to ourselves, and what a lovely morning walk. Helps. Come get the helps. You don't need the helps. You can do it. Well done. Brett is setting up the barbershop. I am his barber.
Before and after.
Well,
Here.
our friends are here, yay! It's filled up. Good thing they got here before us and out of a palapa. Okay, so we're back at Requeson, and I blew up the raft, thinking we'd be going out. It's nice and sunny, and then I made us lunch. We've eaten, and it is now super windy and overcast. So I've been up here crocheting, doing some other things, waiting it out, and now I'm just gonna go explore in the wind. Probably no boating, but at least gonna go explore. What about you? Are you coming? Are you coming? Atmosphere is starting to be atmospheric, though.
Feel it.
Yeah. Just gotta put a little more air in the boat. Let's give it a go.
Well, time to pack it up and move on.
Goodbye, friends. Alright, so we have a joint in the steering that is sticking a bit, so we've been spraying some stuff into it. I'm not gonna help you, that's okay too. Oh, this needs 2 hands. We have found the locals bakery this time.
Let's give it a whirl.
Kind of. Definitely get to that bakery before noon. We've picked yet another new spot. We haven't been in this spot, but always looked very nice. You never pass up a good shower. They have the best showers here. Hot, clean, magic. We're gonna go walk into town and get some coffee. Oh, I got art.
You got art.
Hey, hello. All right, it's been another wonderful stay here. We're out. It's bittersweet, but we've really enjoyed it. Here we go, Tiny. It's Walter! All right, tacos have been consumed. Get another AutoZone. more things for the steering.
Large duration lubrication and carb cleaner to get the other stuff off.
Morning, we are going on a whale tour this morning. So we've been up for a while and we've had coffee, we've eaten a gorgeous sunrise, and now we gotta get over to the boats. It's gonna be an exciting day. They're big. Right, we're back from the wheel tour, and that was incredible.
That was unbelievable. The whales were so close to the boat. The boat captains were like expert at navigating around them and just finding them. And there were 3 of them around the boat, rolling and being playful. And I didn't get to touch one this time, so I guess we have to do it again. But it was just mind-blowing that these giant creatures were so gentle. It was unforgettable.
Now we're off for one more taco run with our friends, and then we go north. Also, we've had a bloom since we've been through here. Look at all these flowers. You need a fire pit. It's our last beach of the trip, our last night. This is a new one for us. We haven't been to this spot yet. So it's fun. I've already been out finding little shells. The tide is way out. Brett's up there leveling out and making life. Basic's taking yourself a walk. So I think it is going to be a glorious evening. At the moment, we're the only people here. So could get neighbors. You never know. But this is great. Ronan wasn't kidding. There's so many of these shells. It's dinner time.
Dinner time, last night in Baja.
Got our quesadillas. I'm gonna make some veggies in a little bit. And Brett has gathered us some fire. It's our last beach Baja morning. Made us coffee, we have pastry, and I plan to sit out here and enjoy the ocean.
That is quite the shell bounty I found.
I did get I tried to do a lot of tiny ones too.
Well, there's a lot of pretty ones in there, so.
we have been in line for
45 minutes.
45 minutes. Hopefully we're in the right lane. So it said we're 18 minutes away for like 45 minutes now. So several hours later, we're finally across the border, back in California. All right, well that's it for Baja Brett and Liz 2026 edition. Well, until next season, which could be at the end of this year.
Could be 2026 New Year's. So
Yeah.
We'll see.
So
See how things go.
we'll just say if that's it for the end of this season, but could be not end of the year. So 5 amazing weeks. We did so much. It was so fun. We're definitely sad to leave, but there's more on the horizon and there's always adventures. So, all right.